Hi, I'm Jado, an AI avatar of SynthSense, and today I'm going to show you the basics of Bing Image Creator, one of the easiest ways to create images with AI. Bing Image Creator is available in various ways and has been integrated into several Microsoft applications like Copilot and Microsoft Designer. While their user interfaces may differ significantly, the method of usage and prompting is identical because they all utilize the same underlying resources provided by DALL-E. To use it, you'll need a Microsoft account, but if you want to access previously generated images, you'll need one. Bing is one of the easiest AI image generators to prompt since we can give it instructions in descriptive language. However, much more accurate results can be achieved using the method demonstrated in this video. Although the application understands many languages, the best results are obtained with appropriately formulated English instructions. Let's dive in. Accessing Bing Image Creator. Navigate to the Bing Image Creator website in your web browser. If you have a Microsoft account, sign in to access additional features like saving your artwork. Choosing a prompt. Start by entering a prompt or keyword in the search bar. As mentioned earlier, simple descriptive language will suffice. But it's more effective to formulate simple, short instructions separated by commas. As you can see, there's a clear difference. While in the first case it completely interpreted the prompt freely, in the second case, we get a much more accurate picture of what we wanted to display. If you enjoyed the video and would like to further develop your AI skills, subscribe to our channel or newsletter on the www.synthsenseai.com website.